Welcome once again to another of my videos from Full-Time Motorhome. We are in Pocklington in Yorkshire. I'm just travelling from the town centre after doing some shopping, and we're going to the Mile campsite, which is just about a mile outside of the town centre. This is an independent site. It is available on PitchUp, but you can also get the number to call the owner direct from the Google Map links, and which I encourage you to do. So here we are, nice big car park. What you do is you drive up to the barrier, and if the owner's not around, you can go into the shop in the cafe area and they will assist you. But I've already done that, so a barrier opens, I get a code for that, and I'm at the front end of the site, the grassy area. That's me just reversing into spot. Nice and flat pitches. I don't need the ramps today, and you can see the bottom end of the site with the hard standing area as well. Rather sunny today, so apologies for the brightness in the video. Lovely little site. That's my setup, and then just across that fence is a dog walking area, and I'll show you a bit more of that later. And there's a gate post you can get in through. As you can see, nice and level. And there we've got the Elvington point and wastewater drop. Very good. And the freshwater pipe for this end of the site is here. Nice and straightforward. Toilet blocks, shower blocks, utilities. This is brilliant, this. Individual toilets, both men and women, but they are individual units, so you'll see inside you've got a shower and a toilet and a sink and all the other bits that you need, all lockable of course. And at the bottom end of the block you've got a couple of decent sized sinks for your dishwashing, and then near the front you've got your waste bin, bit of recycling for glass, and you can get gas bottles if you need to top up. And this is the cafe area, and they do lovely breakfasts. Open at various times, normally 10 till 3 or 9 till 3 on a Wednesday and a Saturday, and a bit earlier closing on a Sunday. Menus available. This is my menu for today. It's the old disposable barbecue. So just tongs for me. I'm not one of these fancy ones with all the bits in. Just get the tongs out. We'll cope. I've got some, well, I'll tell you what it is shortly. And nice big mushrooms. I'll tell you what, it's really hot. Really hot indeed. And look at these skills, look at them, I'm grabbing that, no problem. There we go. And they just let that sizzle away and make case burn away. So it does, it's causing a bit of a stink. So supper's ready, tea, whatever. I'll show you what I've got. I've got some lamb steak, minted lamb steak, some burnt mushrooms, and I've got a little takeaway for later on if I get peckish, or I could have it tomorrow because I'm not eating a lot at the moment. I'm on a strict diet, so this is a little treat for me. And then on the barbecue I'm just trying those tinned potatoes to see if they do anything. So this is what my potatoes turn out like. These are the tinned potatoes from Aldi. I've put no seasoning on them or anything like that, just kept turning them, and they've gone nice and crispy. And I'll season some up later on for my supper. So yeah, 89 pence. Good. But you could put you know, those goose fat covered ones and beef dripping stuff, and the fancy ones from the delis. But yeah, 89 pence. Got all that. And the lamb steak was lovely as well. And the heat of these obviously last for ages, don't they? Once the main meal's cooked, so that's really hot. I got them last year, about November time, I think it was. They were only $1.99. They were on offer, so I got a few of them. And I'll probably do the same again this year. The other barbecue underneath is obviously a full barbecue, but it's from Timu. It was nearly £8, I think. Cracking little stand for your little disposables. Saves messing, doesn't it? I just put some foil underneath just to grab any drips, because the last time I did a one last week, there was some drips in the bottom, so I just needed cleaning. I just put a bit of tin foil on. There you go. Enjoy if you're going to do it. So this is the dog walking area. It's quite a big section, and you've got the added benefit of these beautiful apples. Just be careful, because some of them have got creepy crawlies on them, but enjoy. One of the reasons I came to Pocklington, to the male campsite, is specifically to go to the Yorkshire Air Museum in Elvington. So I'll pop a few pictures on here now. If you want to watch the video about that, it will be on or around the same time this video is published. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you next time.